Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can keep the screen on while we're doing a video call or audio call on a Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it. First thing first, we can go to our settings application, and after we have our settings application opened, we can open the display setting. Click on this display setting and you have to select the wait guys, screen timeout, this one. Click on screen timeout, and here you have to activate the keep screen on while viewing. And right after you activate this feature, when you are doing the video call or audio call, the screen will be always on, and you can read the explanation right here. Keep the screen on while you're looking at it using the front camera to detect your face. And I guess that's how basically we can keep our screen on while a video call or audio call on our Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.